right, guys, this is going to be Revolution Basketball. Single box break number 1. We'll go ahead and go through the team owners here. We got Atlanta going to Ray Sports Cards. Boston going to Archie. Brooklyn going to Davey. Hornets going to the Grouch. Bulls going to Chris M. Cavs going to Spears. Mavericks going to Jason S. Welcome back, bro. Denver going to Dave. Detroit going to Drew S. Golden State Ellie. Rockets Dylan. Pacers Craig P. Clippers Penzito. Lake Show going to Tarzan. Grizzlies going to J-Tac. Miami Jason. Bucks Jason. T-Wolves Facalio. Pelicans going to Jason. Knicks going to Drew S. Thunder going to J-Tac. Magic going to London. 76ers Ray Sports Cards. Phoenix Suns going to Joe. Trailblazers Drew S. Kings going to J-Tac. Spurs London. Toronto J-Tac. Utah Jazz Cam. And Wizards going to Kentaro. Alright, thanks guys. Good luck. Let's see how she rolls. I've never actually seen 10 free digital packs. Ooh, free 10 digital packs. You know, I remember one time on eBay I bought a digital pack and I thought it was a real card. Dude, it was so sneaky, the listing, like how he had it written out. I was like, oh man. I was like, that's pretty sneaky, bro. Literally made it sound like you were getting a card. Ever since then, I was like, yeah. You gotta be extra careful and read your butt off. Let's see. Alright, let's do it. Good luck, everybody. Thank you, guys. These are nice looking cards. All these cards will ship, guys. All these ones, because they all look like parallels to me. Damian Lillard. Brandon Ingram. Jonathan Isaac. That is for Magic. Supernova. James Harden. He's got Japanese writing on his thing. And we got nice rookie of Tyler Hero. Sick. This kid's cards have gone up a lot. And we got DeMar DeRozan. Luka. It's hard to tell what's what on him. Derek White, Spurs. And we got like a star rookie, Grant Williams. Got some stars on it. For the Boston Celtics. Is anything numbered on these? And we got Rudy Gobert. Utah. This pack feels heavy. Wonder why it's heavy. Could be placebo. And we got Colin Sexton, Cavaliers. We got for the Nets, Kyrie, or is it New Jersey Nets, Kyrie Irving. Nets logo up on the right. Clippers, we got Kawhi Leonard. Boston again, we got Romeo Langford on a rookie. Number to 149, there's where the numbering's at. Number to 107, 149. These actually look pretty cool. Okay, making sure those aren't numbered. And we got a rookie of Carson Edwards, Celtics again. Kawhi's actually on the box. We got Kevin, that guy, for the Atlanta Hawks. San Antonio Spurs, Lonnie Walker. Clippers, we got Paul George. Come on. And pretty Vortex card. Paul George for Oklahoma. Or Clippers, I'm sorry. Paul George Vortex. Is that numbered? And Brandon Ingram. I thought was LeBron for a second. Brandon Ingram. Chicago Bulls, Michael Wendell Carter Jr. Chris Paul for the Thunder. And we got oh, I like the autos. They're on card too. That's cool. Romeo Langford, rookie auto for Boston. Wow, they're on card, dude. Those are super clean. Love the looks of those. Those are nice. And my boy, Rookie Revolution, Jackson Hayes. One of my PCs. And rookie Taco Fall. For Boston. Not numbered. Brooklyn, Chris LeVert. Boy, they got some nice colors on them. Russell Westbrook. Milwaukee Bucks, Chris Middleton. And here's LeBron James Supernova. Very cool Supernova of LeBron James. Fractal. It's kind of a cool looking card. And we got DeMarcus Cousins, Lakers. Steven Adams. Oklahoma. Detroit Pistons and Andre Drummond. Trae Young, Atlanta. And Vortex, Ben Simmons. '76ers on the Vortex. And a rookie of Darius Garland for the Cavs. Nice rookie for the Cavs. Final pack. Good luck, everybody. Stephen Curry for Golden State. He's dunking it. Rudy Gobert, Utah Jazz. We got Gary Harris, Pacers. Is that Pacers? Nuggets. Shockwave of Kemba Walker. That's pretty cool. A little shockwave action. And we got Shea Gilgeous Alexander, Clippers, Bobito. That was it for Revolution. Where is Bobo, dude? Where is Pimp Daddy? Alright, guys, that's it for Rev. Still got Hoops. Hoops is actually... I actually like Hoops. You can get a lot of rookies. 2 autos in a box. The autos look pretty good, the designs too. Thank you guys. Appreciate it, everybody.